Okay, now let's look at Part C. Now, assume the project cannot be shut down. However, expertise gained by taking it on will lead to an opportunity at the end of year 3 to undertake a venture that has the same cost as the original project and will be undertaken if the best case scenario develops. If the project is wildly successful, the firm will go ahead with that project but will not go ahead with the others. Okay, as a result, the new project will generate the same cash flows, the $9 million for 3 years, and there will be a $10 million cost at the first. I'll say also this new project cannot be abandoned if it is undertaken. What does this information affect the original NPV, and at what weighted average cost of capital will the project break even in the sense that NPV equals 0? Okay. Let's look at our tree here. We have our 10 million additional. We have, if you look at these two, they're the same, right? They're the 4.5 million each at a 40% and negative 1.5 million in the bad scenario. Now, if the good scenario happens, we get our 9 million, we get our 9 million. Now, in this third year, we're going to get our 9 million, our D, which is this D 237 plus this. We're going to get is actually the NPV from up here from our original branch, because in this third year we're going to actually do this whole project again. So we know that our third year we're going to have 11.62. So we can just add 9 million plus 11.62 to get 20.6 million cash flow in this third year. Now we find the NPV of this branch, multiply it by our probability to get our product, do the same for these, and we find our expected NPV. You still don't have to do the standard deviation or coefficient of variation. Now, it has to find the break even. Also, you can do a sensitivity analysis just like we did before. So all you do is a column, and here we're using this NPV, and you can see how sensitive it is. And you can find the break even here is 23.1. Another way to find the break even is to I'm going to find it here for this cell. Is just go up here to your what if analysis, go to goal seek, okay, and it says set cell. Okay, we want to set cell, this cell right here, to 0, because that'll be a break even for it, right? And we're going to set it to 0, and we're going to set it by changing our weighted average cost of capital. Okay, so see, when we found this NPV, we use this cell here for a weighted average cost of capital. Okay, so we're going to say okay. Okay, now you'll see how it changed everything. It changed the NPV to 0 right here, and it gave us a weighted average cost of capital of 23%. And if we click on this cell, we can see it's 23.1111. So you could actually take this 23% 11 and copy and paste it down in here to the cell to find your break even. Now, before you finish one, you want to go back and change this cell to your original 12%. So we have that. Okay. And I'm going to let you all work Part D on your own. I'm sure you can all do it. Good luck.